It's December 19th, and this is the Makita Advent Calendar 2025 unboxing. So far in this Advent Calendar, we've gotten the storage case, 3 different drill bit sets, a 4-piece socket set, the Makita LED light, Makita laces, snap-off knife, screwdriver T-handle, a hex case key set, 4 different bits for screws, cookie cutters, a level, and a key ring. Let's see what the next one has in store for us. Yes! A 22 and a 16 millimeter spade drill, and this is to drill larger holes within wood.